This is a second-hand Yanmar 𝘄𝘄𝘄𝘁 6-speed hydraulic crawler excavator. The 𝘄𝘄𝘄𝘄𝘁 6-speed excavator is equipped with the original 3TMV88-148,396 engine. The core components are all original. The working weight of the whole machine is 3,745 kg. Power is 20.4 kilowatt. The bucket capacity is 0.11 cubic meters. Mini excavators are flexible in operation. Boom swing function. Tailor's design for 360-degree rotation intact. Spaces. Clean and amazing appearance. Used excavators are more cost-effective. Widely used in construction and farm.